Here are some quick tips about how I keep track of where my embroidery files are. For one thing, I've changed the icon of the folder on my computer to something that I can quickly see. That's the Microsoft butterfly. To do that, I'll right-click on the icon, go to Properties, Customize, and then change the icon. There are many there, and then you can also browse for one of your own. But the butterfly seemed to suit what I was doing, so that's why I leave it. So some of the things that I do, the things that I've digitized myself, I've put an exclamation in front of these that I want to quickly find. If I'm sharing between my laptop and my desktop, I'll kind of put things in here temporarily and then sort them into place. Embroidery fonts that I have purchased, I'll put a $sign in front of those. To get the icons to show up, that helps me find a particular digitizer quickly. I've put their picture of their logo here. Let's see if this one will work for me. I don't think they're in business anymore, 8 Claws, but we'll open it just the same. So on the folder icon, I'll right click, go to Properties, Customize, choose a file, and you're looking for a JPEG. This one was their logo. 8 Claws and Paws is what that was for. So I will now click Open on that, Apply, and OK. Now when I close this, and it will only show up when you have your view at least the, it might show up in medium. It does, shows in medium. It's not going to show up if you have small icons checked. So when you're looking in Windows Explorer, go to your View tab and either medium or large or extra large icons. That's when you'll see the JPEG that you've chosen for that file.